Today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery of this Nissan KEYFOB. So the first thing you're going to do is push this tab right here, and then after that pull the inside key. After you pull the inside key, there's a slot here, both sides, and you can wedge or just like twist so that you can open the KEYFOB. So after you see a little bit crack open, then use this screwdriver to slide it or open it. Use your nails if you have nails. And after that, okay, it's already open. So after you open the KEYFOB, you are going to remove the battery using the small flat screwdriver just on the side. Okay. The battery is CR2032. So replace. So I suggest that after you open the KEYFOB, you need to clean a little bit at the side. Just there's lots of dirt, so that next time when you're going to open again, it is much easier to open it. Just at the side, both sides. Then after that, you can put back the battery facing this side like this. You see that one. Put here. Okay, make sure that it's seated properly. Then after that, get your KEYFOB and put it back together. Until you hear the snap. When you hear the snap, when you push it, that's the time in that you will know that the KEYFOB is already closed. Then after that, press again, then put this inside the key. You can clean it also, the key. Make sure that it's easy to remove in the future. Now you have a new battery on your KEYFOB. Thank you for watching.